Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical wine cooler, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Wine Cooler, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wine coolers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Kalamera 24-inch dual-zone reversible glass door wine. The Kalamera 24-inch dual-zone wine cooler is the perfect choice for wine enthusiasts looking for a stylish and efficient way to store their collection. With dual-zone thermostat control, the upper zone maintains temperatures between 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, while the lower zone stays at 50 to 66 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring optimal conditions for all types of wine. Its sleek stainless steel and black matte finish, combined with a unique white air outlet, enhances any kitchen or bar area. The cooler holds up to 46 bottles, making it ideal for those with diverse wine and beverage collections. The wooden shelves, complete with stoppers, provide secure storage and prevent bottles from slipping. Plus, the automatic defrost and temperature memory function keep your wine safe and perfectly chilled. Whether you choose to install it under your counter or use it as a freestanding unit, this wine cooler is both versatile and efficient for every wine lover. Number 2. Electric freestanding fridge with reversible glass door wine cooler. The Electactic freestanding fridge with reversible glass door wine cooler is the perfect combination of style and functionality for wine lovers and beverage enthusiasts alike. This 37-bottle wine fridge offers precise temperature control between 40 to 61 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your wines are stored at their ideal aging and serving temperatures. Equipped with a high-performance compressor, it provides even cooling and maintains optimal humidity levels to prevent cork damage and preserve your wine. The reversible glass door allows easy access while offering an airtight seal to keep your wine safe from vibrations. With adjustable chrome racks, you can customize the storage to fit your needs, while the sleek LED display and interior lighting make it easy to locate your bottles. Ideal for home bars, game rooms, or basements, this versatile cooler also holds up to 145 cans, making it a great choice for any party or gathering. Number 3. Velieta 24-inch beverage refrigerator. Dual zone with glass door wine cooler. The Velieta 24-inch beverage refrigerator dual zone with glass door wine cooler is a versatile and stylish addition to any home or bar space. With the capacity to hold up to 20 bottles of wine and 90 cans, this refrigerator is perfect for storing both wine and beverages at optimal temperatures. It features dual cooling zones with independent temperature controls, a 35 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit range for beverages, and a 41 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit range for wines. The refrigerator is equipped with an advanced cooling system and a carbon purification system to reduce odors, ensuring your drinks stay fresh. Removable shelves offer customizable storage for different bottle and can sizes, while a built-in safety lock ensures your collection is secure. This unit can be installed either under counter or as a freestanding unit, making it a flexible and functional choice for any space. Enjoy cool beverages and perfectly chilled wine with this high-quality wine cooler. Number 4. Antarctic Star Clear Glass Door Wine Cooler. The Antarctic Star Clear Glass Door Wine Cooler is the perfect way to store your wine and beverages in ideal conditions. With a working temperature range of 40 to 61 degrees Fahrenheit, you can customize the temperature to keep your wine at its optimal serving temperature. This compact cooler holds up to 26 standard wine bottles and features a sleek, modern design with a reinforced glass door and airtight seal to maintain the perfect humidity levels. The interior LED lighting beautifully showcases your wine without damaging it. Equipped with a quiet, advanced cooling system, the cooler ensures there are no vibrations that could disturb natural wine sediments. It also includes adjustable black shelves and leveling legs for added convenience. Ideal for freestanding use, this wine cooler brings both style and functionality to your home, providing the perfect space for storing your wine collection or favorite beverages. Enjoy your wine at the perfect temperature every time with the Antarctic Star Wine Cooler. Number 5. Tylza 24-inch double-layer tempered glass door wine cooler. The Tylza 24-inch double-layer tempered glass door wine cooler offers an elegant and efficient solution for storing your wine collection. With a spacious 5.3 cubic feet capacity, it holds up to 51 bottles of standard Bordeaux wine. This sleek black fridge features 6 removable beechwood shelves, allowing you to adjust for larger bottles as needed. Equipped with an advanced compressor, it ensures fast, stable cooling and accurate humidity control, while a unique vibration absorption system minimizes disruptions. The temperature is customizable between 40 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, providing an ideal environment for both red and white wines. The digital touch control panel and smart temperature memory function make it easy to set and maintain your preferred temperature. Designed for quiet operation, it produces noise under 38 decibels. With a waterproof exterior and a 12-month warranty, the Tylza wine cooler is a reliable and stylish addition to any space. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.